Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
I hope
morning,
everybody has
ma'am.
typed present
Good
in the chat
morning,
box.
ma'am.
I hope
Yes,
everybody has
ma'am.
typed present in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Now this lesson number 2, the pandemic facts you should know. I hope you have completed in your book. Those who are having the book, they have
Yes.
completed in the book
Yes, ma'am.
neatly,
Yes, ma'am.
and everybody
Yes,
has
ma'am.
understood each and everything clearly. What
Yes,
do you
ma'am.
mean by
Yes, ma'am.
PPE? Full form of PPE?
Personal
Can
protection equipment.
Equipment.
personal
Personal
protective equipment. Very good.
Equipments.
Very good.
Equipment.
And I have also spoken about this. What is this picture about?
Bio bubble. Bio
Bio
bubble.
bubble. What is bio bubble?
Bubble.
What is bio bubble? Can anybody explain me what is bio bubble?
isolated from outside world.
Very good. It is safe and secure environment. ये एक तरीके से safe and secure environment, and it is isolated from the outside world. Clear? And this minimize the risk of COVID. कोविड का जो फैलने से ये ज्यादा से ज्यादा रोकती है. ठीक है ना? So I hope till here it is clear. This is also done. You have marked this also.
Yes, ma'am.
All these was explained. What why it is called COVID-19. Explain.
Yes.
The name was given by World Health Organization (WHO), and it stands for coronavirus disease. So COVID stands for coronavirus disease 2019.
90.
And it is caused by novel coronavirus named SARS-CoV-2, which infected humans for the first time. And where they were infected for the first time? In Wuhan, China.
Wuhan, China.
Clear?
China.
And in the month, which
Ma'am,
month?
Wuhan, China.
In which month?
December.
December in the year 2019. Clear?
2019.
So I hope this is clear. Another
Yes,
thing
ma'am.
about these two pictures in D. These two pictures are about what?
Ma'am, first. Ma'am, sanitizing.
The first picture
I'm
is
sanitizing.
they are sanitizing or spraying the disinfectants, है ना?
Yes.
स्प्रे कर रहे एक तरीके
Yes.
से देखिए स्प्रे हाथ में इनके है ना? So they are spraying the disinfectants. And in second picture एक तरीके से टनल दिख रहा है. This is a type
Yes,
of
ma'am.
tunnel. So
Ma'am,
this
bio
is a
bubble.
disinfected tunnel in China. This is the scene from China. Disinfectant tunnel in China. Am I clear? Workers are working
Yes, ma'am.
this before entering the workplace. मतलब अपने काम करने की जगह पर जाने से पहले इस टनल के अंदर से जाना पड़ता था वर्कर्स को काम करने के लिए, because this tunnel was disinfected, means उस हर तरीके से फ्री फ्रॉम द इन्फेक्शन वो इस टनल से जाते थे, तभी जाकर के वर्कर्स अपना काम करने के प्लेसेस पे जाते थे. So this was the disinfected tunnel in China that workers were walking through before entering the workplace. एक तरीके से उनको डिसइंफेक्ट किया जा रहा है यहाँ पर. Clear? I hope everybody has completed this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
सैनिटाइजर के शावर्स लगे हुए होते थे.
हाँ जी बिल्कुल. Now the third lesson. Third lesson is clear. Third lesson is clear.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Forts and caves. Forts and caves. In this, you can write down today's date over here. Today is 3rd of May.
Yes, ma'am.
3/5/21. Today's date. Those who are having the book, you can mark it in the book. Those who are not having the book, they can note it down in the rough notebook. Okay. Okay. Now we'll start forts and cave. Now this lesson is about forts. Forts means किले, and caves. Caves means गुफाएं, है ना? So different types of forts and different types of caves you are going to read about in this lesson at different places. Yeah, it's time to go on a tour of India's most famous fort and caves. Most famous forts and caves of India are they. Now you have to fill in the blanks to get the names of these forts, their location, the state or city. So So first one, dash fort dash Rajasthan. Huh? Chittorgarh. Okay, note it down.
Chittorgarh.
Check the spelling. Spelling अच्छे से देखिए. CHI double TOR. CHI double TOR and rest spelling is given there only. GARH Garh. Chittorgarh fort is in Chittor.
Chittor.
Double TOR.
Rajasthan.
Where is Chittor?
In Rajasthan.
In Rajasthan. Clear? So everybody has visited this Chittorgarh fort? Anybody?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, may I?
Yes. This is very famous fort, Chittorgarh fort in Rajasthan. Now the largest fort in India. This is the largest fort in India, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is a World Heritage Site, means people, foreigners used to visit this. Now also they visit this heritage. Heritage Site means ये हमारा पुरानी धरोहर है, which we had received from the past. है ना? Built by who has built this? Chitranga Maurya. Chitranga Maurya. It was the capital of Mewar. Capital Mewar. Contains 20 fictional water bodies. 20 water bodies, functional water bodies are there. 19 temples are there. 4 place complex and memorials. So it is famous for all these things. That is why Chittorgarh fort is famous, very much famous, and it is a World Heritage Site. लोग आकर के यहाँ पर चित्तौड़गढ़ फोर्ट विजिट करना चाहते हैं, देखना चाहते हैं, because it contains 20 functional water bodies. 20 functional water bodies means they are still working water bodies. 19 temples are there in this fort, and 4 places complex and memorials are there. Clear? Second is Golconda Fort. This is Golconda Fort. Where is
In Hyderabad.
it is in Hyderabad, Telangana. Note down the spelling carefully. Golconda. Conda. Golconda.
In Hyderabad.
Yes, Hyderabad. HYDERA. BAD. Hyderabad. And Telangana. 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 Write the spellings correctly. This PDF I'm going to share it to you afterwards, okay? Done? Now
Yes,
in Telugu, its name means Shepherd's Hill. Now this Golconda, in Telugu, its meaning is, what is its meaning? Shepherd's Hill. Its meaning is Shepherd's Hill. Shepherd कौन होता है? Who is a shepherd?
पेड़ चढ़ाने वाले.
भेड़ चढ़ाने वाले. Very good. भेड़ बकरी चढ़ाने वालों को क्या बोलते हैं? Shepherds, है ना? भेड़, especially भेड़. a fortified citadel and an early capital city of Qutub Shahi dynasty, 16th and 17th century. This is made in 16th and 17th century. है ना? Fortified citadel means it is a well protected fort. Its boundary wall runs about 10 kilometers. Boundary wall जो है वो 10 kilometers तक run करती है. इतनी बड़ी boundary wall है इसकी for the protection of the fort. That is why it is called as fortified citadel. Fortified citadel means citadel is a किला है ना, and fortified means well protected. बहुत अच्छी मजबूत boundaries है उसकी. Next is Gwalior Fort, which is present in Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. Spelling Gwalior. Gwalior Fort, again Gwalior spelling Gwalior. Gwalior. And Madhya Pradesh. Okay, now Gwalior Fort, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, a hill fort that has existed since the 10th century. Now this has existed till since 10th century. 10th century से ये आज भी present है, और even a couple of centuries earlier. हमें जहाँ तक जानकारी है वहाँ तक तो 10th century से ये available है, ये हमारे present है यहाँ पर ग्वालियर फोर्ट. But उससे पहले से भी ये हो सकता है ये प्रेजेंट हो. The fort that stands today consists of a defensive structure. एक तरीके से बहुत अच्छा ये डिफेंसिव स्ट्रक्चर बना हुआ है फोर्ट का. एंड 2 मेन पैलेसेस. 2 मेन इसके क्या है? पैलेसेस. राजा के पैलेस. व्हाट इज अ पैलेस? पैलेस
मैम महल.
महल. राजा के महल है यहाँ पर. देन गुजारी महल एंड मान मंदिर, बिल्ड बाय मान सिंह तोमर. अब ये 2 मेन पैलेस हैं यहाँ पर ग्वालियर फोर्ट में. तो ग्वालियर फोर्ट में क्या मेन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग है कि इट हैज अ डिफेंसिव स्ट्रक्चर. सबसे पहले मेन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग है कि डिफेंसिव स्ट्रक्चर है यहाँ पर फोर्ट में, प्लस 2 मेन पैलेसेस है. कौन कौन सा? एक तो गुजरी महल एंड मन मंदिर विच वाज बिल्ड बाय मान सिंह तोमर. क्लियर? Next is Mehrangarh. I hope everybody has visited. If you are living here, you have visited Mehrangarh.
मैंने भी
विजिट किया है.
Yes, everybody has visited this Mehrangarh Fort, which is in Jodhpur, Rajasthan. One of the largest fort in India. ये क्या है? एक तरीके से सबसे बड़ा फोर्ट है. जितने भी फोर्ट्स हैं उसमें से भी एक ये भी है Mehrangarh Fort, the largest fort among the other forts. Then built in the 15th century by Rao Jodha. Who has built this fort of Mehrangarh? Rao Jodha. The fort is situated 410 feet above the city. जो शहर है, शहर से 410 feet above ये फोर्ट है बनाया गया. क्लियर? And it enclosed by thick walls, has 7 distinct gates. कितने गेट्स है इस वॉल इसके? मेहरानगढ़ फोर्ट के कितने गेट्स हैं?
7.
दिया शिवलानी. Okay, now 5th one is Agra Fort. Everybody is writing the names, spellings correctly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Agra Fort, that is Agra, Uttar Pradesh. Present in Agra, and Agra is where? Uttar Pradesh. Clear? Now, spread over 94 acres and referred to as walled city. Spread over how many acres? कितने एकड़ जमीन पर ये फैला हुआ है आगरा फोर्ट? 94 acres. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now next is houses beautifully
Amer Fort.
yes, houses beautifully designed complexes Khas Mahal, Sheesh Mahal, and Mausaman Burj. Shahjahan is said to have died in the magnificent marble balcony of Mausaman Burj overlooking the Taj Mahal. अब ये आगरा फोर्ट से कहा जाता है कि शाहजहां की डेथ हुई थी. ये क्या कर रहे थे? ताजमहल को यहाँ से देख रहे थे इसीलिए बालकोनी से. क्लियर? Everybody had marked till 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now coming to
Amer Fort.
Amer Fort.
Rajasthan.
yes, Amer Fort and Palace Amer, Rajasthan. Now this is also Amer Fort, Rajasthan. It is located 11 kilometers from Jaipur. From Jaipur it is. Jaipur से कितना दूर पे है ये? 11 kilometers.
11 kilometers.
And who has built this Amer Fort?
Raja Man Singh.
Raja Man Singh.
Raja Man Singh. And it is made up of which stones?
Red stone.
And sandstones and marble. Clear?
रोते मेरे को दादी
Hello,
मार दिया.
Shivina.
फोन लेके.
Switch off your mics. Next is now unscramble the letters to get the names of these ancient caves. Now we have talked about forts.
Elephanta.
We have talked about forts. Everybody has completed about the forts.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now elephant.
Yes, ma'am.
About these caves now. First is
Elephanta.
That is Gharapuri or Elephanta. So Gharapuri Elephanta caves is also called as Gharapuri. Clear? Gharapuri. So which caves are also called as Gharapuri? Elephanta caves. And they are situated on Elephanta Island in Mumbai. Clear? 10 kilometers east of Mumbai. मुंबई के 10 किलोमीटर ईस्ट की तरफ है. ईस्ट की तरफ ये एलिफेंटा केव्स है. Can only be reached by ferry. Means ferry मतलब बोट के द्वारा. वेरी गुड. बोट के द्वारा ही यहाँ पर से एलिफेंटा केव्स पे जाया जा सकता है. क्लियर? And rock cut caves dating back to the 6th and 7th century. 6th और 7th century के ये caves बने हुए हैं. And they are rock cut caves. Rock cut caves मतलब rock को काट करके ये caves बनाए गए हैं. Clear? Next is Badami. Badami caves in Karnataka. They are in Karnataka. Stand as a proof of love of Chanakya's had for architecture. Chalukyas, जो चालुक्यास थे वो उनको क्या था, किसमें इंटरेस्टेड थे वो? आर्किटेक्चर, बिल्डिंग्स वगैरह बनाने में. बहुत अच्छे आर्किटेक्चर बनाने में. इसीलिए ये शो करता है बादामी केव के चालुक्यास जो थे. चालुक्या डायनेस्टी यू हैव रेड इन हिस्ट्री? Yes,
ma'am.
So they date back to 6th and 7th century. They also date back to 6th and 7th century में बनाए गए. There are 4 caves. कितने caves हैं यहाँ पर? 4 caves. 3 have Brahmical temples and 1 has Jain temple. 4 caves हैं. 3 cave में क्या बने हुए हैं? Brahmical temples है, ब्राह्मण के temples हैं. और एक Jain temple. So remember all these. Next is Ajanta.
and
Ellora caves.
Yes, located near
Aurangabad.
Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Rock cut cave. This is also rock cut cave. Rock को काट करके बनाया गया है in the Sahyadri mountain range. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And a group of 30 caves dating back from 2nd century BCE and 840 CE and are all Buddhist. These all caves are of Buddhist, rich in paintings and sculpture. So this is Ajanta and this is Ellora.
Ellora.
It has 34 caves. Ajanta has 30 caves. This is having 34. So this is
34
differentiation. You
caves.
can note it down, the difference between 30 and 34 caves. And that dates back from 6th to 10th century. And here it is 2nd century BCE to 480 CE. Clear? Then blend of Buddhist and Hindu and Jain temple means तीनों यहाँ पर देखने को मिलते हैं. Buddhist, Hindu and Jain temple.
Jain temple.
And known for their exquisite architecture means बहुत अच्छा इसमें architectural designs है. I hope till it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Third one is clear. Try to complete
Yes, ma'am.
and learn it.
Yes,
Try to
ma'am.
complete and learn all these things. You know? Now next is lesson number 4.
People who protect nature.
You can are you all able to see?
Yes,
Mark it.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
People who protect nature. लोग जो nature को protect करते हैं. There are many people who destroy nature for various reasons. अब क्या reasons हैं? Why the people are destroying the nature? Just because for the agriculture purpose या उनको living space जैसे population grow हो रही है. So what happens? As population is growing, people need to live. People need the place to live in. So they are destroying the nature. They are cutting trees and all to for the agriculture, for the living place, for the mining, without thinking of the harm they are causing to the nature and wildlife. अब वो forest areas को clear कर रहे हैं और ये उनको बिल्कुल भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि they are just causing harm to nature and wildlife. Here are some tribes who live in harmony. Harmony means peacefulness with nature and know how to protect it. अब ये कुछ ट्राइब्स के बारे में दिया है. ट्राइब्स मीन्स द पीपल हु लिव इन द फॉरेस्ट एरिया. ये पीसफुली फॉरेस्ट एरिया में रहते हैं. उन ट्राइब्स के बारे में दिया है और ये नेचर को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. फर्स्ट इज यानोमामी. यानोमामी एंड अमेजोनियन ट्राइब. यानोमामी क्या है? एक अमेजोनियन ट्राइब है.
Amazonian tribes.
Hunters, fishermen and horticulturists and depends heavily upon the resources of the rainforest of Brazil. You can mark Brasilia. ये डिपेंड करते हैं. हंटर्स है, ये फिशरमैन है, फिश पे डिपेंड करते हैं. हॉर्टिकल्चर मींस व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द वर्ड हॉर्टिकल्चर? एनीबॉडी? Horticulture you don't know? Art of means valuable crops वगैरह grow करने के लिए, fruits, vegetables and all, that is called as horticulture. Growing of fruits, vegetables, species, कुछ भी. Clear? That is horticulture. And they depend on the resources. So here USA नहीं आगा, it will be Brazil, where the forage for food they practice shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation, all of you are aware about this word shifting?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, shifting cultivation. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह वो क्लियर करते हैं सारा लैंड एरिया. कैसे? वहाँ का जला करके एग्रीकल्चर का जो भी लैंड पे है वो सब जला करके they start growing the crops over here, and after the harvesting they again move to the other place. So shifting cultivation. So here Brazil, Yanomami, Amazon tribe, they depend in Brazil and shifting cultivation. Second is
Excuse me.
yes.
What is meaning of horticultures?
Horticulture, growing of crops, vegetable, fruits, species. ठीक है ना?
Okay.
Okay, their animism or nature worship dates to 900 BCE when the Shavans of Peru worship the jaguar. Jaguar is a type of animal. ये इस type का animal दिखता है. Embodying its image into their shawls, the jaguar was revered by Mayans, Aztecs, and Incas. who carves its image into the temples and thrones. Temples और thrones में इसकी images देखने को मिलेगी आपको jaguar की. Many indigenous tribes now campaign to protect this animal from poachers, traffickers and habitat loss. बहुत सारे इंडिजियस ट्राइब मीन्स जो इसमें फॉरेस्ट में रह रहे हैं. इंडिजियस मीन्स जो फॉरेस्ट में ऑलरेडी रह रहे हैं, वो लोग बहुत ज्यादा जो आदिवासी लोग हैं वो अब इसको प्रोटेक्ट करने में लगे हैं. किससे प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे हैं वो? पोचर्स से. पोचर्स मीन्स जो इसको मीन्स हंटर्स जो पकड़ते हैं इनको, और ट्रैफिक मीन्स इनको पकड़ करके दूसरों को बेचते हैं फॉर देयर ओन नीड्स, और उनका हैबिटेट लॉस कर रहे हैं, उनका रहना कम कर रहे हैं. तो एंडेंजर्ड स्पीसीज हो गए ये, तो इनको बचाने के लिए ये इंडिजियस ट्राइब काम कर रहे हैं. क्लियर? सो विल कंटिन्यू विद दिस लेसन इन अ नेक्स्ट क्लास. टिल देन complete and learn till you are clear.
Okay, ma'am.
That's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Okay.